Yeah. Ooh, doggy. That's so crazy. Jeez, those things are huge. Dude, look at them swing those things around. That's like sketchy. You could probably turn it off. That might get him over here a little bit easier. Yeah, we probably want to keep him at least like freaking 10 feet away, 15 feet away. Honestly, if he's just like in that corner, it's sick.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's getting real.
That is so crazy.
This is like the most Lambo thing I've ever done.
Yeah, look at this.
OG Lambo.
We'll Photoshop them out.
Oh, dude. That is so sick.
So how old is that one?
Oh, 10, 12 years.
Really? Wow. Is that about as long as the horns get, or is it?
Yeah, that's about 7, 2, 3, maybe 4 inch wide.
It's impressive.
That's for him, yeah.
That's crazy.
I think the world champion is like, what, 8 feet, 6 inches, something like that.
Wow. That's crazy.
Amazing place. This is pretty special.
Yeah,
it's super cool. Yeah.
Hope you guys have enjoyed it.
Yeah, we have.
You've been telling me about it for a while.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, well, we just like found
Just
Twin
back.
City a couple weeks ago with this thing.
Oh, yeah.
Since when?
Yeah, they've done movies there. We'll see if I can get that on file.
Okay.
I thought at first Cougar said put it by the pool. But he said put it by the bowl. Why does it need to be by the pool?
Yeah, I was not expecting to be doing this morning, that's for sure.
Dude, as soon as Cougar said that, I was like, hold on.
Yeah, and these like bowls are the perfect bowl because they're so like chill.
Yeah. Big tigers and brookies. But there's a fun flavor.
What's up, big boy? Do they ever like injure each other just with swinging them around like that?
Yeah, they'll once in a while get like bloody noses.
Oh, really? That black one back there looks like a freaking fighting bull.
Apparently that's the mom.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that's the mom. So the female's horns go up like that.
Ah.
Yeah, so if you...
Thanks for doing this, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Hunter, this might be a sick shot for you. that shot. Dude, coming out of the pen.